Hey guys, what's up? This is Ben, founder of Pirate Skills. Let me show you what we got planned for you on November. This month is going to be all about analytics. On November 7th, we have the meetup coming up for you in the evening where we have the title A Pirate's Guide to Analytics. I want you to check out what's currently possible with Google Analytics and Facebook Analytics and learn how to implement it in your business. If you would like to join us for the growth sprint right before the meetup, also on November 7th, you can do that. You can work with us a whole day, just sweet hustling, no talks, no input, just good mentors sitting around to help you overcoming 3 growth challenges that day that you can send to us beforehand so we can send you the right resources. If you want to go even deeper, you can join us for the workshop on November 21st. We call it Google Analytics Made Easy. Google Analytics is by far the most implemented analytics suite at the moment. But if you have it installed, but maybe not the perfect way, or you still would like to learn on how to use it properly, how to track your conversion goals that are specific to your business, you come to the workshop with your laptop, we implement everything the right way, optimize it, and you get out and know how to use Google Analytics and have report setups and conversion goals and everything. If you're into that, join us on November 21st. Would love to see you there. I'm excited to see this November coming up. We'll meet you. Bye-bye.